What? Yo, the general, the 10-star one. You know anytime I come for represent, you know, a Gaza way. They ain't no other way. Watch your people. Me hear Foota hype on a certain type of interview with Gaza uncle. And me hear him a run off him big. And I say, oh Kartel, pirate busy signal. Watch me now, nation people. Me no know if a certain type of hype think me miss now for the internet because him not really too sick. Me a run up and down with no video like that. People, remember me tell you already, you know, say me is not a vlogger, but me a revolutionist to Gaza with my mouth on YouTube international business. Everybody know that. Me tell you something, nation people. No boy with no loud mouth can't bully Gaza. Me nah ask you. Yes, why me say no boy with no loud mouth can't bully we. No gimmicks thing na the inna me game. Uno know me a concrete step on. Anywhere me step, from it shake it, it a go broke off. So watch me thing right here now. Watch me. Big bomber clad 4-4 magnum. Cut off mouth, shotty fling boy head a grum. Boy have to run when Gaza walk with the tall broom, them we sweep out them yard. And any boy vex get rapid like text. And in front them have to run record the K them vex. We are not Al Pacino nor Al Capone, but we slam gunshot like Karl Malone. When Gaza roll, boy run left him home. And 18 months and him can't go home. What's this? Big bomber clad 4-4 magnum. Cut up. Hey. What's your nation people? Them think we easy. How much time I have to make you know? A high grade man smoke a man no bun beady. Where am I talk about the style? The stammer style where Kartel I say I did the teacher in the coming Harvard yeah. That you know that style that him claim say. Me hear him a tell the man but oh a busy style that. Kartel not do that song there before Busy Signal do claim say him do that song there. Do the song where him claim say him do. Yo, you know how that style that come about clown? Foota hype, let me make sure I tell you this. You know how that style that come about? Eh? A rhino style. A rhino first. Stamp up on the song like that and Kartel spin it around and drop the song there. Ask him. No gimmicks thing there in the game, no lollipop thing in it. Where you chat about? I busy and follow the man. Remember one night time, you know. In a dance hall, you know. The girl them, you know. All the tease busy signal, you know. Same a copy Vybz Kartel, everything, you know. All the hand movements, the dance, them, everything, you know. Remember, you know, tell the man the truth, you know. When him do step out, you know. Him use the man style, you know. A step out, him that boss him, you know. And that he use the man style, you know, my brother. So, I don't know where you chat about, you know, where you talk about, you know. They can't go back, I'll go watch back all the video, all the picture, where they on the anger management, where the whole of them do the medley. Look on the picture. I can't tell him suit and him dark glasses and all that. We're busy and follow them, and him come do the song after. After him vice from the song, you know. Him a follow the man dressing. Even the shave up and the line up. What you talk about? Everything the man do, start cutting pants them like Kartel, everything. That's why I think Kartel I say if you run down your shadow now, you will never catch it. I can't tell him imitate. What you talk about? And then they talk about Kartel one like you want to show the people them say about Kartel want hurt the man physically. Yo, cut your fucker your lollipop thing out in a road boy. Because in a 2006 or 2006, 2007, you know, if I'm not lying, you know. Zeke, you know, keep a show, you know. I think I don't want St. Elizabeth, you know. The same day, you know, when Stone Love anniversary keep when Deborah brought, you know, and Munga honorably, you know, fight up a blood clot mass camp, you know. Deva bro supposed to go up on the show with Kartel, you know, because Kartel am busy book for the show, you know. Zeke, you know, we out in the country, you know. Where you chat about? Teacher roll up there at the show. Around Bumbuck like 100 man there. And busy the right there, so we two look man. And what busy say when them see the man? Busy say, yes, my general. Respect. I saw him call teacher. Busy, ask him. Him say, yes, my general. Respect. So where you talk about teacher want do the man thing? What kind of lollipop thing you talk about? You never did that show there, you know? Ask Busy, you know? If you feel like a gimmicks thing, you know? You have a certain type of hype. You don't know, you know? You're a lion, Zane. And you claim say, you know, teacher, you know, switch because him go link with Beanie Man, you know. So let me ask you something. You alliance, there ain't no point at time in your alliance career you vex with Beanie Man. Eh? You vex with Beanie Man no time at all in your career. Say you vex with Beanie Man. Remember all Beanie Man, you know. I got country with you a long time, you know. From sound system and column business, you know. That before you even talk about your alliance, you know. So be careful of who you talk to, you know, because you not talk to some little lollipop man we are talk about no fool thing on the internet and think you can come run your mouth and tell people what you feel like you want. Tell them, you know, my brother. There ain't no point of time you ever vex with Beanie Man in your alliance career. So where you chat about? Eh? Look how you come deal with a general on the internet. And you are say a general lad. Look how you come deal with a general on the internet. And you are say a general lad. Because if a rude boy thing you say you deal with and a general fall out, you claim say, you know, the good thing them what the man do, you know, oh, nobody bad, you know. If I a general lot, you hold your hard and know your general lot said speed, but me and him not roll right now. Because of certain circumstances. You know, run out on the internet and kin out and spread out like how you go on. And then feel like you come on no form of respect from no real G. You hear me? Because you know, I tell you already, I don't know, lollipop man you talk to. You see what I say? You know, do them thing that you know, kin out like a prostitute on the internet like that. You see me? Against your general. And then feel like you can get respect from real G. You see what I say? I don't go jog strap sniffer do that. I mean not do them bomber ass cloth thing there. Hear me? We not follow back on nobody. No gimmicks thing not there in our game. No lollipop thing not there about it. You see what I say? No boy can't tell we shit. You see me? Because no loud mouth can't bully we. No gimmicks thing not there in our game. No lollipop thing not there about it. We don't see how we represent a Gaza where they ain't no other way. You can't tell we nothing. The Stammer style, a Rhino style. A Rhino first rip it off. And teacher spin it on the other way. I told me not remember the lyrics of Rhino blood clot chat. I spin it on the other way. Don't come talk to me like you think you know nothing about bomber or clot shit. I want to come talk shit. Because some people, you feel like say want hear what you say. Oh, teacher for pirate busy. Go back, go watch. Go back, go look. The people them can go look. Busy was the one where everybody has tell. Same for stop follow the man. Everything. I step out him door, take out the man, and the man style him use. And everybody know that in a Jamaica. So me don't know who that, what that theater come on the internet with, you know. You see me like some new splash business you deal with. Yo, let me tell you something, my brother. Busy Signal sign underneath record deal. That's why I could have get all these type of endorsement. Kartel Never sign no contract from him, end the contract with green sleeve record. You hear that? So that's why Kartel couldn't go get them corporate dealer like what Busy Signal get. So me don't know if them not tell you that, me I go make you know that Busy sign corporate contract deal. You see what I say? That's why I'm gonna get all those endorsements. The Vybz Kartel not sign no bumper ass clock deal from him bumper clock leave green sleeve record. You hear that? No lollipop thing that in it, so nobody chat your fuck and chat your gimmicks thing. Everything with Vybz Kartel deal with a solo thing. You see what I deal with? So now come chat no lollipop thing around here, so. You hear that? You not talk to no lollipop Gaza bumbo clock, man. A 10-star you talk to the general, the choosing one, the people's bumbo clock champion. Hear that? A Gaza favorite. What? The general, you know? The 10-star one. Cha. Oh, fuck, man. Oh,